Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of the cubic root of x multiplied with the cubic root of x and then repeat many times the x. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to put about capital A equals for this one. Later that we put a to the power of 3 equal to s multiplied with the square root or multiplied with the cubic root. As you can see that this one we can replace with the capital A. So we move s and a on the left. So we find the value in here. So we have two solutions. Capital A equal to number 0 and a square equal to s. As you can see that if a equal to 0, this one we don't have the value in here, so we need to find the value of the integral. So we just select about the second one, and capital A we will put about a equal for the square root of s. So now we just find the integral of square root of s. And this one we change to s to the power of 1 over 2. And we can get the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.